Hey everybody, it's Paula from Crafted by the Pond. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I am on today to show you a Globeland haul. Actually, they reached out to me and asked me if I would like to collaborate with them and try out some of their products and give an honest review of what I thought. So, just a little backstory with this. I ordered the items that I'm going to show you in August, and they arrived the week of Christmas. There was a lot of kind of going back and forth with Globeland. I think just the state of how the world is, things were stuck, and I reached out to them. They were reaching out to me, like, hey, did you get your stuff? No, I didn't. And the only thing that I have to say I didn't care for was they expected me to follow up with the person who the company that was supposed to actually send the stamps. And I thought, no, I should not have to engage with your mail carrier to find out where my order is. That's like not okay. So that was like my only thing, but that's neither here nor there. It got resolved, but I just thought that was bizarre. I don't know. Let me know if any of you guys have had that issue as well, because that just was kind of weird to me. But anyway, so I did get my stuff, which was good. So the first I ordered some Halloween things. Obviously they didn't make it in time. So let me show those to you first. And I think this one, this die here, the witch with the cat, I think she was a freebie because I did not order that. So, but thanks. So we'll put her right there. Put her out of the way. And so then this next set that I got was just some, like I said, Halloween. And sorry about the crinkling. I know some people, they don't really care for that. But it wouldn't be my channel if I was prepared. I hope you guys are doing good. I know I've been gone for a while. Had some stuff going on. So, been a little busy. So here's this Halloween stamp. I thought it was pretty cute, so that's why I picked it up. Let's see if it's going to get a glare on it or not. So it had the haunted house and the cats, which I really liked. And then I asked them to send me the dies that go with it. So I will not be doing a project share with this stamp set. I'm going to just throw all of this like in my Halloween stash, and maybe I'll say it in Halloween. I don't know. Maybe not. So the next item that I purchased, well, I didn't purchase, they sent to me, was this sewing themed stamp set. So and it came with, I ordered the dies as well. Because I just thought they were too fabulous. So, you know, it has the vintage sewing machine and the dress form. That's what I really wanted it for. I got a sewing machine like 2 years ago. And so I've been kind of messing with it a little bit, not too much, haven't had a lot of free time. So that's like on my list of things to do. So, but I thought this was fabulous. You know, the scissors, that just all of it. So this one came as well. And so this one I ordered, it's the crowns, just a bunch of crowns, male and female, because my Alice in Wonderland journal, I need to start that. I'm going to look at, I'm going to be selecting probably tomorrow, do I want to use an existing like box, because I've got a couple boxes that I could turn into that journal, or I actually have some old books that, you know, are garbage. They're like nothing. Because it does sadden me to destroy a book, but they're like books I think I picked up along the way that I would never read. They're just not my style or whatever. And I bought them because they were cheap and they were old. And so I may do that because this journal that I'm going to make is going to be for me because I've always made journals for everyone else. So I'm going to make one for me this time. We're going to try something new. So that was for my Alice in Wonderland journal. And this last set that they sent me was the tea set. Because if you know me, I like tea. I don't drink coffee at all, just tea. So I just thought this was really, really cute. And I liked the books with it. Sorry about the glare. That's like just bad no matter what you do. It's kind of in the evening here. The sun's going down. I wanted to get in here earlier and just, you know, life got away from me. So these are the products that were sent to me by Globeland. So I will come back and do a couple project shares with you. I have an idea for this stamp set because let me show you this really fast. One of my girlfriends at work left this on my desk actually one day when I went to work, and I was like, oh my gosh, what is that? And it was this cute, you know, little box. It said for finding dreams that don't exist yet. And I thought, oh, that's pretty. And I'm like, well, what's in there? And so I opened it up and it had the wax seal set, and this is a fox, and it's very fitting because I have a fox that lives in the backyard. So she gave me this, she gifted me that, and then this box says hearts were beautifully fierce yet fragile. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm like tired. Hearts were beautifully fierce yet fragile things. And so there's the box. I mean, how cool is that? And then inside of the box, you guys look. She gifted me this beautiful ink, fountain ink pen with the ink that came with it, and then the actual the ink holder and for the inkwell and for you to leave your pen. And she said, you know, she was moving, and she said, I know you're into all that stuff. So I just thought that was really, really sweet. So she's a very avid reader. So I'm going to probably use this stamp probably tomorrow and make her a beautiful like bookmark for her to use when she's reading, to hold her place, because it's a sin to dog-ear the page. So anyway, this is what Globeland sent me, and I'll be back to show you what I make with some samples. Okay, I hope you guys are having a great day. Sorry I've been gone so long. You know, hopefully we'll be back more. And oh, hey Mom, hey Pop, I hope y'all are doing good. I miss you and I love you. Hey Bubs, hey Dottie, and everybody else, hey. So take care of each other, and be sweet and be kind, and I'll be back soon, okay? Bye.